Hi there and welcome to the Amoretti kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a orange oak whiskey sour using our oak wood extract. So the first thing we're going to do is add in our egg whites here with fresh juice from 1/4 of an orange and 1/2 of a lemon. We're going to dry shake this for about 30 seconds. We are just going to add the rest of our ingredients here. So we have 1 tablespoon of honey. We have 1.5 ounces of bourbon whiskey. You can use scotch if you'd like as well. It also tastes pretty delicious with that. And we're going to add just about 3 drops of our oak wood extract. We're just going to add ice and shake it one more time. And lastly, we're just going to pour the contents of this into a whiskey rocks glass. And now that we have this really nice froth on top, we're going to just add a couple of drops of bitters to it. And I'm just going to garnish off with a little spritz of fresh orange peel here and lemon. And there you have it, our orange oak whiskey sour. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do make this at home, be sure to tag us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter at Amoretti. Also, to stay up to date with all of our promos, giveaways, things going on in the Amoretti world, be sure to sign up for our newsletter below and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you next time.